You are going to love the 2017 GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, auto off headlights, power driver mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.